Tesla, ticker TSLA, is up 6% today. Now, this is off the main catalyst that Morgan Stanley has increased their price target from $250 to $400. So to get straight into it, what are the key levels we're going to be paying attention to over on Tesla? So as of right now, if we start to pull back, I'm not too interested in this stock. And the reason for that is we're not really at tradable levels until we can get a bigger move. So if we push to the downside, we'll cover the supports first. Our first support is at $222.50, which is obviously a relatively large move from where we are now. That would require us to drop around 15% in price. So quite far off, but is a support we'll be paying attention to, week, month down the line. And just to quickly note the other two supports, just in case we had some sort of a monster move, would be 175 and 181.50. So they're going to be the three key supports, but what's more likely and what we're closer to is going to be the key resistances. And that's going to take us to 274. So 274 is our first deviation on the 1 year. Would be a strong resistance and actually not too far from where we are now. That's going to be about a 4.4% move, which obviously on something like Tesla can happen quite easily even within the day. So that would be the first key resistance I'm paying attention to. If we go high, we then have two more sets of resistances being at 315 and 320. So again, that's going to be the main focus, I think, over on Tesla is, yes, you have the supports, but they're just so far off that, that will probably take at least kind of a month to probably get to those sort of levels. So again, the main focus is going to be on resistances, which is 274, which is going to be the closest one. And on this, I would use a bit reduced size. And the reason for that is, first, we've hit this level before. And again, looking back even just kind of 2 months or so, we were at near $300. So if we retest that, we are likely to break. And then that's when I think the further up resistances will be more key. And again, that's going to be the 315 and the 320 as those two key resistances over on Tesla.